Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So this coming Saturday, I'm going to do a live stream with a 12-week schedule, a workout schedule pertaining to a half marathon. So if you're around, I'll be doing it 3 p.m. Eastern time on my channel, Top of the Line Running, and come take a look at it. And even if you can't make it, it'll be up later on that day. But if you're a runner or a coach and you want to just get some more detail in terms of training, whether it be for 5K, 10K, half marathon, and my following live stream is going to be for the marathon, a 12-week workout schedule that you can kind of build your mileage around. This channel is definitely going to be for you. Plus, I have 200 plus videos out already of training, fully detailed stuff, programs, schedules, seasons, workouts galore from 800 meters up to the marathon of all different levels. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification if you haven't done so yet, so that you not only have access to that stuff, but you don't miss stuff that I'm going to be doing moving forward. Plus, the live streams give you an opportunity to ask questions on the fly, live time, and I can answer them right there for you on the fly. So that's something I like to do, and I think it's important to be able to kind of share that intel with you. Again, because one question might lead to another question, and it might lead to another question. And the folks that generally ask me the questions on the live streams tend to have multiple questions, and I'm very happy to be able to answer them all, in short time. So that's the type of stuff I want us to have, a good dialogue back and forth, so that maybe I can contribute to what you're doing as a coach or a runner. And hopefully you'll find some value in the channel as well. But again, it's Saturday. It's going to be 3 p.m. I'm going to talk about a 12-week workout schedule for the half marathon. So I hope to see you guys there. Have a great week.